Thank you for being here. I love it. That's so yummy. That's so yummy. Hello. Thanks for being here again. Today is another Sunday. Last week was pretty fun. I'm pretty sure you watched the video. It was like so funny, like with all the Halloween dressed up costume. And this week is another week. So what I'm going to do today is kind of like a different thing. I'm going to make a cake. But you say, wow, what a cake it is. It's a chicken cake. Chicken cake, let's go for it. And we'll see you here with all these ingredients here. Okay, so for ingredients, I do have a cream cheese, I have parsley, I have green onions, I have lemon. I'll show you at the end how much, in the middle of the video actually, how much I'm going to put it. I have mustard, low carb, that's a low carb yogurt, I found it. I have mayo, I have walnut, I have chicken, I have pickles, and I do have keto bread. So let's go. First of all, I'm here and I do have my bowl ready. Chicken is 2 chicken breasts. This is already cooked. I cooked it with onion, black pepper, and salt. So I have the chicken ready here. I'm going to put it in the bowl. Okay, this is my chicken. Then I need to chop my parsley. It's 1 bushes. And actually I hold it a little bit for designing it. So let me chop it here. Already, I put it in the bowl. Okay, I have my green onion. I'm going to choose 4 green onions and I chop it to very small pieces. Okay, my green onion is ready. So 4 pieces of green onion and I'm putting in the bowl. So this is my bowl. And I do have a kosher Dill, so that's your preference, how much you want the pickles in it. I love pickle. I'll see how much I want to put. That's enough for now. So I'm going to chopping it. Okay, our pickles is ready. I add it to the bowl. So that was your preference, how much pickles you want. So let's put it in the bowl. So this is the bowl I have. So I put like around like a 1/4 pound of walnuts here. That was our main ingredients. Now we're going to add other items. First of all, I'm putting mustard. A tablespoon of mustard. I put it in it. Okay, that's like a tablespoon to me. Then I have my mayo sauce. I'll put a cup size of mayo in it. That's my mayo. I have my yogurt, which is a low carb one. A cup of yogurt in here. Let's put the That's the 8 ounce of cream cheese. I'll put 4 ounce. Okay, that is around like 4 ounce. I put it here. And then I'm going to mix them all together. Before that, before doing the mix, I add a little bit salt and black pepper. That's my black pepper. That's my salt. As your preference. And also I'm going to add lemon to it. I added the whole lemon in it. Okay, now it's time to mix them together. That looks cool to me. Done. Okay, well mixed. It's well mixed. Let's go for part 2. Okay, I'm going to use a cooking bowl, like medium size. And first of all, I need to cover it up. I need to wrap it up with inside of it with a plastic wrap. Okay, first layer. I'm going to do the second. Okay, that's covered up with plastic bag. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm using my bread as a layer. And cake. I have these breads. We'll cut the borders. Okay. You don't need to really waste these borders. Then you can dry it out and use it in like Caesar salad or something. So first, I'm adding the breads to here, to the plates. That's the first bread layer. And then I'm going to add my chicken cake ingredients to the bread. Okay. Now I have to put mayo in it. That's your preference. How much mayo you want to put here. Okay, now the second layer. Okay, same thing as I did it for, okay, that's for here, that's for here. Adding all the layers in it. Okay, I'm going to use a glue for the next layer. Okay, then again I'm going to add bread. Okay, the first one and the second one, the third one, fourth one. Okay, push it, and adding the last layer. Okay, and adding the mayo sauce. So is whatever I have here remaining, I'm putting for the last layer. That was my last layer. Okay, I have this ready here, and let me transfer to a plate now. Now is the time to add cake to the plate. So I put the plate in here. Okay, let me do it even. Here is even. And then I'm flipping it. That's cool. Okay. And then I remove the plastic. Okay. Now I'm going to add mayo sauce in it. Now I can see if I can designing it with yogurt. Okay, let's see. Now I'm going to add more design to it. More design to it. Okay. What I'm going to do, add cherry tomatoes. Okay. Cake designing is my first time I'm doing it. Sorry if it's like not really quite very well, but I tried and I think it's good. Oh, it's good. It's nice. So cherry tomatoes here, cherry tomatoes, 3 cherry tomatoes here, here. What else I'm going to put? Put a little bit of parsley. And the parsley and the opposite side. Okie dokie, okay. Our cake is ready. Hola. Here is our cake. Our keto chicken cake. Thank you for being here. Serving this cake looks yummy. chicken layers, or keto bread, everything. Now it's time to try the cake and see how it tastes. Cut it from here. I love it. That's so yummy. That's so yummy. Thank you. Thank you for watching our videos. Thank you for subscribing to our channel. Thank you for everything. Thank you for liking us. Please share our video.